Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today with the famous Oysters Kilpatrick Gourmet Style. Basically the recipe from our seafood restaurant in Geelong. I will be using rock salt to hold the oysters. For giving a sea effect to the rock salt, I will be adding a few drops of blue coloring. We can now fill up the 2 oyster plates with a nice blue rock salt. Actually, you can get the oyster plate in stainless steel from Coogan for under $17. Now the oysters are well stabilized on the rock salt. I will now slice a nice bacon in strip of 1.5 centimeters. To cook the onions, then a little bit of spray, fresh parsley, Be sure the oysters are well leveled before you add the garnishing and the Worcester sauce. We can now topping up the oysters with the strips of bacon. The last thing to do is to add more Worcester sauce, and we can cook the oysters in the oven for 10 minutes in a hot oven on grill. Let's cook the oysters until the bacon becomes crispy. We add a few drops of lemon essence and lit it. Be careful, the oyster plates are very hot. Carry them on a normal dinner plate and enjoy the delicacy. Bon appétit! Now we can enjoy our Kilpatrick and dim the light like in a restaurant. Bon appétit!